So my role in the community, I serve several roles. I'm the department head for College of Technology and Occupational Sciences, where I really help to provide some guidance and oversight for our current technical education programs in the Jacobetti complex. I also serve on a couple committees, the Current Technical Education Committee, which helps provide a greater role across the Upper Peninsula and primarily right here in the Marquette and Alger areas. Well, in today's competition, I'm just helping to provide some wraparound support services to make sure everything's is running as smooth as possible. We have other people in here that are just really focusing on the skill sets and working directly with the students, helping do some coaching and help pulling those teams together. We've got, the schools from across the Upper Peninsula, 8 different teams this year. Very happy to have them all here. What I'm really seeing in today's competition is the ability for the students to pull together and work and function in small teams, and with a common goal. They start out by reading the blueprints, looking at the description of how the project's supposed to come together, and reading through that and find out what step-by-step procedures should they be doing and following, and how does each person or a member of each team take on one of those tasks so that they can have a common goal of accomplishing the completion of the project in the time set and allowed. These different competitions, the one that's going on in welding right now, it really helps students gain an understanding of a little bit of pressure that's required of them to lay down some welds in the appropriate, using the appropriate technologies and the appropriate techniques. And then they're assessed and reviewed by, third parties that are certified welding inspectors and certified welding instructors. And that's some of the highest level of welding certifications people can achieve. So the students can really see those skill sets. How are they competing and stacking up against others that are very in their peer groups? Current technical education is really changing the job market quickly. It's a broad brush sweep of careers that can't be outsourced, and that's something that we had a challenge with many years ago, but it's something that these careers and skill sets that people are achieving are transportable skill sets that they can live anywhere in the nation and have. I mean, for heating, air conditioning, and ventilation, every house requires heat, or it requires cooling. So depending on where you're living at, those skill sets are very important. Or whether you're fixing an ice machine or a hockey arena and keeping ice frozen. You think about what's going on at that, in our automotive service programs. There's cars everywhere. There's dealerships everywhere. So for the skills and programs that we teach here, these jobs are across the nation. I'm just very thankful that, we have this type of center here and complex in the Upper Peninsula to really provide these needed skill sets, help students prep for becoming graduates of these programs and have solid careers in the Upper Peninsula and the Midwest. I think it's very beneficial for us.